Hey, hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do 3D text by using Blender. So this is just going to be like a basic tutorial, and in subsequent videos I will be showing you how to do like those transition effects like title card effects with this text. So now let's just going to be just a beginner's tutorial. So just open Blender, okay? So currently have here a cube, so just click it and delete it, okay? So we're just going to remove it, and now what we're going to do is we're going to press shift plus A, okay? So we'll be getting this add key over here, and here obviously we are going to just select the text, okay? This icon, so it will just come add a text to the screen, just tick text, and you'll be getting your text over here. So this is like what to say, like a sample text over here. You'll be having the sample text. It's just getting automatically created, and if you just go and click select the text, and if you go to A, this A will be automatically added to our properties, the toolbar. Once you add your text, okay, it won't be there normally. So here we will have like the entire control, like the entire properties that we can change to the text, okay? So first thing what let us do is this. Now text is like it is like really slanting, to be honest. It's just like what's it, tilted towards a floor, okay? Let's just lift this text, okay, like standing position. So for that what you're going to do is you're just going to press R and X, and you're just going to type 90, okay? So just it just lifts it. This is nothing like R is for rotate, okay, shortcut for rotate. X is to rotate along the x-axis, and 90 is just the degree, okay? So yeah, so now we have successfully like rotated everything. You can also change it by manually, okay? So you need to go just this option, okay, object properties, and here you will have rotation along x, okay? So it was actually like 0 at first, okay? Just click 0, and this was like the beginning, it was just laid on the floor. And so if you feel like you don't want to press R, X and 90, you can just go here and just move it, okay? Change this type over 90 over here. That's it. It's again back to normal. So now main thing is like adding our own like preferred text over there. So now it's just a plain text. Now what if you want to type some names, or like our channel name, or like any title card, or any specific name? Now what we're going to do is just go to edit mode, okay? This can't be done in object mode. You need to go to edit mode. So just click go to edit mode, or you can just press tab, I guess, to toggle between the modes. Just go to edit mode, and you'll be getting like a big cursor, okay, automatically if you go to edit mode. This white one is a cursor, okay? As you can see, I can type now anything. So here we're just going to go here and type the text that you want to display, or just convert it into 3D text. So I'm going to here going to type United, okay, channel name. You can just go to your object mode again. So that's really good. And now what we're going to do is, this is now like looking like a very, it's less, it has like 2 dimension only. It's not like a 3D. You can't call it 3D. Now we are going to give that third dimension to it. Or just go to this A, okay, object data properties. This is the additional property that we get exclusive for our 3D text. So this is like all the options that we have over here. So here what we are going to do is we are just going to go to first thing. I will show you first the 3D, okay? So you're just going to go to geometry, and let's first convert it to 3D and then go to the fonts, okay? So for 3D what we have, there's two options, okay? Offset and extrude. This is like going to give the third dimensional property to our text. So extrude, as you can guess, it's just going to give you this, as you can see here, the third dimension, okay? So I will just show you a little bit clearly, okay? Just move down, okay? So as you can see here, if I just move it now, and move it like this way, and just give that third dimension, the depth can be given by using this. And offset is like the width, okay? As you can see here, it's going like this, the width, okay, can be like this. Okay, that's good. I think it's too extra now. That's fine, I guess. If I just move it that side, okay, and that's looking pretty good. And so we're getting the 3D model. So depth, as you can guess, it's also like used to give an additional depth, okay, and resolution is there. So you can also play with the resolution. And I think these are like only, I think main thing is offset and extrude, okay. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to change the font, okay. Just go to this font options over here, and this has like regular, bold, italic, this, as you know. So for just now by default it is just in the regular, okay. So now what we're going to do is we need to go to this, just go to the folder options over here, and you'll be getting like these many fonts are like inbuilt available in Blender. So you don't need to go to like any website and download and install it. Like if you are in getting this like a thumbnail or demo view, you can go over here, okay, this option. And as you can see, sometimes by default you'll be getting this vertical view or horizontal view. You need to just go to click the thumbnail view, so that you will be able to get a sample of each font and how it looks, the style, okay. here I'm just going to, for demo purpose, I will just select this font and I will just click select it and just click open font, and as you can see here immediately there will be like a change in font. Okay, now it has like by default that font I have selected is like a slanting one, so as the change has been like immediately affected to it. So after that, you may ask me, why is this like there's a big gap in N and E? So that's because like we have given like a really high extrude or offset value. Sometimes if you just give, because our previous, this was like perfect for our previous font, okay, the default font. But now as we have changed the font, the offset and extrude value may not be suitable for our new font. Okay, so you'll be really careful about that. You can just as you can see, now it's really perfect. That's it's just getting beyond a point. It's just diminishing or it isn't suiting our new font. So now as you can see here, it's like really perfect. Okay, so that's it with the geometry. And with font, I think like they are also having like, I have the transform. Okay, I have changed the size over here, and you can just change the tiltness or like italics. If you want it straight, you can get it straight, and you can just play with that one also. So these are like the most important things like to do, and others. So next we just look at the paragraph. Okay, and if you have like this paragraph, as you can, okay, you can just, it's used for aligning. Okay, as you have like justify, right, left, center is, like simple as like Word documents use, and these are like another cool options over here. So we have like the spacing between lines. Okay, we have spacing between lines, we have spacing between alphabets, especially in a word. So if you just this is character spacing, as you can see here. If it just increases, if it decreases, it's just the spacing between letters present in the word, and this is word spacing. We have only one word, so it won't show us any changes. And line spacing, we have only one word, so no changes there. But if you have multiple lines, this will be really useful. So that spacing over there. So paragraph and custom properties, like you can add any properties. Text boxes aren't, we are not using any text boxes. And font, I think these are more than enough. Okay, and shape. This is just for the resolution, as you can guess, and I hope like these are like the basic properties for doing what's it like 3D text in Blender. I hope this is really useful, and just you can just go and add any color. Just go here, just put any random color. You can just give add it, and just go to this view. You will be getting the color over here. So it's now like little bit light bluish in color. So I hope this is that's it for this video. And mine is a program channel. I've done tutorials in C, C++, Python, Java, Blender, and Unity. So it will be really great if you check other videos of my channel, and do check other subscribe and support me. And thanks for watching.